In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to Big Cartel in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned online seller or just starting out, integrating these platforms can streamline your operations and open up a new realm of possibilities for your business. Let's dive into the process and ensure you have everything set up smoothly. First, you need to start by visiting the Printful website. If you're not familiar, Printful is a popular print-on-demand and dropshipping service. This means they handle the printing and shipping of products for you. It's a fantastic way to expand your product range without upfront inventory costs. Once on the homepage, you'll spot a sign up button if you don't already have an account. Click on that to create one. In case you already have an account, simply click on Sign In. When you're on the login page, you'll need to enter your email and password, then click the Login button. This will take you to your Printful dashboard. You'll see a number of options here, but let's stay focused. Find the Stores tab, this is your next stop. After clicking on Stores, it's time to select the platform you want to connect to. You'll see an option to choose platform. Once you click on that, scroll through the list and locate Big Cartel. For those who may not know, Big Cartel is an e-commerce platform that caters to creatives and small businesses. If you're using Big Cartel, it's likely because you appreciate its simplicity and effectiveness for small-scale operations. Once you've found Big Cartel in the list, click on the Connect button. Printful works seamlessly with Big Cartel, making it easy to manage orders and inventory. You'll then be prompted to connect to Big Cartel, a straightforward step that links the two accounts. At this point, it's important to note that you might need an upgraded Big Cartel account. Ensure your Big Cartel account is fully equipped with all the necessary features for integration by checking their account options. Upgraded accounts typically offer enhanced functionality that makes integrations like this one possible without hitches. And there you have it. With your upgraded account, Printful and Big Cartel are now connected. This integration will empower you to automatically fulfill your orders, sync items, and more effectively manage your online store. Now that you've linked Printful to Big Cartel, your e-commerce journey just got a whole lot easier and your business is ready to thrive. So